What if elegance had no age? What if the same silk that makes a young woman leap with joy could make her mother feel completely herself? What if style wasn't about generations, but expression? And what if beauty belonged to whoever wears it? She wore it around her waist as a belt, and then as a top, and then in her hair, and then at her neck. And each time something different, each time unmistakably her. She wasn't following rules, she was just playing, exploring, becoming. And then she jumped. Because sometimes when something feels right, you don't think, you simply feel it. Later her mother reached for the same silk, not as a statement, not as an experiment, but simply as herself. The ease, the confidence, the quiet elegance that comes from knowing who you are. The same silk and completely different expression, however, equally beautiful. Two women together, two generations, two ways of moving through the world, and neither more elegant than the other. Because true elegance doesn't belong to an age. It belongs to authenticity. And authenticity never goes out of style. At 20, elegance may look like a leap. At 50, it may look like a smile. And everywhere in between, it looks like this. A woman comfortable in her own expression, in her own story, comfortable in herself. RaluFineArt, Collector Silk Scarves. For every woman you have been and every woman you are becoming. May I ask you something? Do you own a piece that feels completely yours? A piece that, the moment you wear it, reminds you who you are? Perhaps it's a scarf, a piece of jewelry, a dress passed down through generations, or something only you understand. Tell me in the comments, I would love to know what it is and the story behind it. And if you are still searching for that piece, I created something for you. It's called the Collector's Choice. 10 collector's silk scarves, 10 stories, 10 expressions of elegance, each one created not to complete an outfit, but to speak to the woman wearing it. The link is below, and if stories like this speak to you, click on the notify button and subscribe to RaluFineArt channel. I'm here every day sharing stories of beauty, elegance, and the many ways women express who they are. And tomorrow morning, before you choose what to wear, ask yourself one simple question. How do I want to feel today? Start there. Everything else follows. This is Ralu, founder of RaluFineArt, signing out.